just every year really
She started backtracking. She went, don't want to go on the train. She's a bleeding good work and she's backtracking. I'm always in the cupboard now.
True.
I don't go out. Every time he goes, I'm always in the cupboard having something to eat. Are you through? Or doing your puzzle book? I'm never out. So I was like, oh my God, I'm never away from the place. I'm always
Look on the phone. It looks real cool. Look. Doesn't it look like it's coming towards you?
Yeah.
You freak out, you go, oh no,
That's seriously close.
no, it's not actually, it's really up in the air, but it looks close.
It looks like it's going to hit everybody. Is it still recording? Wow! I know, it looks like it's such a bumper. It's not free. There we go, let's go! Wow, look at that! Wow, it's like a big massive wheel, isn't it? Good jump. Did she? Wow. A load of little... God, that hurt my back. Oh. I only like the quiet ones.
yeah.
They're like little stars. Not down the back of his neck. Yeah, don't have to be careful.
She said I want a wig.
He said not down my neck.
It's not the first time she's done it on him though, is it?
No, but maybe when she did.